everyone, Pentlicki. I'm fixing to have raindrop surgery by Dr. Ming Wang. I'm looking excited to get rid of these glasses. It takes quite a bit of time to focus on my iPad, and I'm ready to get rid of them.
Right? Hello, I'm Dr. Ming Wang, and this is Ron, who just had 3D laser raindrop. Now, Ron has been suffering what we call short arm syndrome. You know, as we get over age 40, our arms getting a little bit shorter. You can't read things up close anymore. And the age-related loss of near vision. For some reason, that Ron did not want to have his arm lengthened, right? No. So we had to try some other ways. And the raindrop, we were actually the first center in Middle Tennessee to perform the raindrop procedure. Now, Ron just had the 3D laser raindrop procedure. Before that, today, 10 minutes ago, he couldn't read without reading glasses. Now we're going to have a moment of truth to see if he could now, after raindrop, read without reading glasses. Are you ready for a moment of truth?
I am.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. Go ahead and read this line without reading glasses. Go ahead.
3D image guided high-def laser.
Wow, excellent, excellent. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Okay, we'll take a